Every cell in your body is far too small to see. But uncoil the DNA packed inside just one of them, and it stretches out to about 2 meters, taller than most humans are tall. That's true for nearly every one of your cells, and you have far more of them than you probably think. According to a 2013 study in the Annals of Human Biology, the human body contains approximately 37.2 trillion cells. Not billion, trillion. That's the most rigorous estimate scientists have, built by counting cell types organ by organ instead of guessing. Multiply 2 meters of DNA by 37.2 trillion cells, and the number stops making intuitive sense. You get roughly 74.4 trillion meters of DNA. That's about 74 billion kilometers, all coiled up inside a body that fits in an airplane seat. To make that number mean something, compare it to the solar system. The average distance from Earth to the Sun is about 149.6 million kilometers. Stretch out all the DNA in your body, and it's long enough to make the round trip to the Sun and back roughly 250 times. It gets stranger. Pluto orbits the Sun at an average distance of about 5.9 billion kilometers. All the DNA in your body would reach Pluto and back more than 6 times over, or reach Pluto alone more than 12 times. Here's the one that should really land. As of early 2026, Voyager 1, the farthest human-made object ever launched, sits about 25.8 billion kilometers from Earth, after nearly 50 years of continuous flight. By November of this year, it's expected to cross 1 light day from Earth, a distance no spacecraft has ever reached before. And the DNA inside your body alone, not counting anyone else's, would still reach almost 3 times farther than that. So how does something that vast fit inside a nucleus you'd need a microscope to see? Each nucleus is only about 6 micrometers across. To fit 2 meters of DNA inside a space that small, your cells wind it around proteins called histones, coil that coil, then fold the result again, compressing it more than 300,000 to 1. It's the tightest packing job in your entire body, done automatically, in every one of your trillions of cells, all the time. You will never see it, and you'll never feel it happening. But somewhere inside you right now is a molecule that, uncoiled, would outrun humanity's most distant spacecraft several times over, folded down small enough that trillions of copies fit inside something you could hold in 2 hands. If numbers like that are your kind of strange, we dig up one every episode. Subscribe to see the next one.